Pero seperti yang semua secara social media, kalau kita mau kini kedai, theme meeting happy people. I think kau Maya ikman, si ikman tu kan. Mana? Kalau ikman, tambah nervous. Tambah pi yang saya mengadon kami yang akan introduce kau Maya. Pi tip ide iaid kam tam le pi dah nak ikan pun di rwai dan apa so slow. Maybe at Bangalore and Tibi, tapi dan Bangalore. Tambah maybe Kolkata, Delhi, I don't know, but which is very popular that I haven't reached comprehension yet. Happening for Maya, thank you so much for doing this.
You're most welcome. It's an honor actually.
Lah, arpenai, lah persiang ban kem di Maya. Tambah akan cimbun kam, ngaruh berarti cimbun kam. Kendiat nak kita kipa ibarat ni Maya. PDA, PDA na kendiat ya itu kita bang tips pang PDA.
Okay. Tinggal di Maya Lygdoh Mawlong. Ting ada kan hikai music kepada sudah ngalah hikai mta lalai senam sitai Bangalore. Ting lang suan pai sini. Ting ada kena kepada lakha lahe lasan hamai rang. Kadai 7 kilometers away from here. Di kemarin kadai cakap bakariat bah, baterkom bah, but it's a very beautiful place as well. Badan ulum kelang. So I am from there. Di skul route sitai haduh class 10. Di ngapendap ike 10+2 hasulong hi. Di dadap nang tu nggak leit Bangalore. Ngapendap ke Jimpuli. Di mynta I'm here. How
to tell your story, day na may rang. Di ko mo katin ro, kapir katin may rang katin sila ni. Di kamlong fluent katin may rang.
Hai, berjenjar haban.
Jenjar. Kapir kan no. Kapir kum Chinese, Japanese.
Kalau along kum kamdat pet tham berkat jengi kalong khor, kamlong ngimdai yuti ngimdakin uat hare, ngilong khor ada keren.
Te komanshu ainok sa ladang kwah tip pilit skul hai te haktian mai no
pide skul henno
bet ba abdi is phalading di wah te haktian mai ha te henno okay te ladang kwah banang ban haktian mai rang kan simport kan no trai bangan lalu
ki ban tip few words kam simport tang ba phin make a sentence ban thao ban kren katu ti hap sa bi hamai rang thrai bin hap ban kren man kasgi na mal ba katu ko ket uat jingi kalong ha subhati pinyus go be kem pengisian nia ba de kren hai
lagi beri nama na pemai rang termen ba phin menjur ke kren i komaya wa ya kan tho me ba dari mana ti komaya te komaya ke i ke bawan lam pieces lo
Dia mynshuwa ngam ju perkat le bangan leit play music namar ba kam dan ru kum katanu ngi mynshuwa ngim tip music she ngi share wa himani banong ban leit play ngam da tip di email jang apat i dan ki parlong pa ki oh bang arwa do bu sadang rep tuma skul haki independence day kunto ki yo ki oh kadan ko ma sabar ngim pat perkat dia kata namar bangim dah tu kapor ngim dangi jenjar ngi dangi leit pulil lut kum tu tingim perkat bangin leit sabar ngi ang tang kumta mostly hasulong ma de kapolong ba ngabeli ngawan shani namar imei perkat ni karena mai rang leit be sabar ti kan jenjar at least kan kamlong ba kan adapt at least ya kata ka lifestyle ban emarway banai kum tu de kadang apa shalom just to try it out. Dadap nang tu ti Bangalore.
First time you want shalom, you want marway ne don nong pinap sa hostel na.
Memang ngasa jingwai marway. Abai hamman idan we hamman pa salah ta kapor.
Hidan tanong cepat.
Hidan lain ngat.
Day ba? Haduh. Oh, tiki men kila tre. La don la jong kalong ye kalong.
Memang kidang dan ni berkat.
Okay. Masuk bawa temen yang aja biru kila temen sama tahu semua pemain
lain
kendiat menasu hakalian karwai kita ke music culture po mairang pada push lo easy okay
ka kamdadan than ka jingiaid between mairang hasulong namar kadang ya jan tang ba kawai kalong ba ngi tingi he ngi san ha ki ying mani bet banyong yo rwai ngim da don ti kini ki cafe hamaira ngim don a platform for banyalit them as ban have a gig kam don kin hamaira kum kata ha ti shani shalong pat kala don so a lot of ki musician ki la ban leit perform ban showcase no ban tang ban kalong improve ru no ha hakal yang kapadai bat ka music kan
tip ka shalong people 11, 12. Somewhere in Lyngdoh Presbyterian High Secondary School. Okay, top. Lyngdoh Presbyterian, she's your alumni. So please respect her when you see her. And subscribe to her channel. Follow her on Instagram. So, anyways, the thing is, after your class 12, usually update degree. Okay, what did you choose? Music.
Kalau community nga, masya ni dan saying I always wanted to be a waitress. Ngam judan plan kan ni music aku abandon restoran, bangan shed, kumta kan. Hot. Ti my mom but yang ni pendap tangkat 12 at least more. Never I was very bad in studies. Yang pendap tangkat 12 siapet. Ti dadap tangkat 12 pat ngi ban leit not shaphang. I mean ni don jingtip not stay. Hoi, ti ani ngimla, hindi na ba da perlahan dang rete. Kadang something ti min ong ni ban ong pensong dukan no ekum no ma. Ngi ti ngam tam song dukan. In my hoi. Ti hoi. Ti yang to leit la kalit ndak kadi because apart from that only music only I can kiwi ban ong leit long nurse ngamla madur la ti ngam nang ru ban you know that hospitality.
Never thought about it.
Hoi. I-rest lah keras kan yang tu late tak kan at least you're good at it mah.
So yang ketua jing pulih ikut ke
music, a bachelor of music education.
Bachelor of music education. Like snem. South snem. Okay, ngam jutip bachelor of music education dan south snem. Nama usually ki bachelor's degree ki day like snem. Jadi ya baru ki bakwa banit pulih hoai. Pinang rwai, pinang tem kan noru, la pidon hi bat jing pulih kam kersyang hai ka career ka jong bani ka credibility bani ka tim pareng you know kam tam da kwa ban pursue your career in music. Te kong maya pi ong ha ka kot kasla him ler dina tang ba ka rwai like you're the best. I mean, at least for me. I mean I'm not comparing you with Lynti on. What are the other things that you don't interest and if you start about there?
Apart from music, mostly I cook.
Okay.
And I really love to cook and you know gardening. Somehow I get it from my mom. Ti imi smart le thong chorum tang snat haban dan bagi chol kiai. Ti bakashat.
Ti kashat banong no kashat shat ja shat jingta yang malas ni kadai kamaram chom pi kamaram be.
Am ngia i me i le hi tamba dam dai i me i mat mangabe. Kalum tangam le ga. Kemat kashat ngia lam tala bu pali te. Ha.
Te namar babun naki parlok thei jong aro. Te ki kinang man shat mo. Ki start ban set ki ong be na thai ban set mang ban se I hope ka day it's not because ban se ni ya ka day ke interest ti hoi na ba phile ke la pi sutana phinum kho nyo tham ka ban sim ka bam khambang malo la ne anyways let's move back sha ka jing rwai ka jong pi kham long comfortable ban rwai na ban tem total sha gan pen kelai ka jing li mo pi sedang shua ka jing rwai na pi sedang shua banang bantem
sedang shua banang bantem ti i jingi barwai ba ti ida praktis kentu ngasmat pen sebab sum tu malah patia masya ladang lit dengan dan san sendiri snap ti i smart ngasepet su kum tu hadian 4 hal kadam real snap ngasim yang gitar dah hek bahag gitar dengan ngabat if tau chord ngam tiap perlu di chord ni di sebab I can hear it so I just make what I hear tu ngasutra ngatem kum tu
pi ok nang bat kedua imei
nak ba item
ni
te kia kret jeng bat perlok jeng i no item dengan dapat kum tu nga observe kan ha spen buat te dalam tang ong ngapan ngong kadi kan ni ti ngak mana bai kai phi ngong lek ngong lek madai lek kulmar tu se tinang tu kai tengah sedang tem na ha
lek kulmar tin marang kiong lek madai barak ko ada tin marang mairang te tin pareng ya katu ke bapek bat pila ban learn kiong ke visual smart. It's one types of intelligence, but ya katu ke bapinang ban buat ya kisur ikut music smart. Te kidon kiba merasta tanah kekot kasla tang ma kitri mahaban le kita ko maphi di kong hai they very much music smart but visual smart. Te kong maya banda shuh no Naduh snamayu ba kibriyo kisnang man recognize naniban itu ya kasap ke jongpi.
Min hakpol pangadan hamay rang ti Naduh itay class I mean I was 6 years old mo iohsngew ti kena ti item tingi lah kamay along ani kwa tip kumta tingala Naduh tung la shimhi benta skul ngadebe tu benta. So I wouldn't say baka perthai long kibriyo kitip. Nama kadang di BTT area jang te skul himan ni tangkum tam kim tip shoot nang ta.
No kim ju rwai lan nata.
Ju yura te like nak school program but kas nang hamai rangi law map ta jing em nak na skul haying baik betul hai. Te ngandala wan haslong ru asmem ngam ju tip ru banganang ban rwai te bangan actually doing it tidang di 11 12 so ngapat tip buat ngadang pursue ayu ru tingadang long very low key kumto ngasu tem tambari ti por hi banga thai jingsem ru jingrai pat Naduh ta ka por hi ngatha te dat ti pat ma ban decide am ka de I think barok khat ni sem de jar hi kun sam la ban decide your career kalong I think he hoi long ni ngile fail no kani yo kadi yo ngadi ya kato ngale kani is very scary. Tidang long hiti stage ti la pois Bangalore tengah la ada tu shisnem tengah dan social media and ngadang long bikumbawan na may rang te ngam patip ti Facebook ki ngam dan kita taruh ngal ale degree ti idani roommate janga basalang she's from Mumbai itu kan papan create Facebook kalau I handle memang ngam te beri pen upload ke video janga
nomor baik itu ya kasap
no people should know you and I'm like no like you know ngam la madur ya di Bangalore kumta namar ngasuin I love to play music is literally what I do tama te ngasulong to she's marwai ipat thank God for those people also you can even chna account yang ngam tu pen upload ngam tip tang kita password em nu khat nhiều hỏi khat nhiều actually khat pra hakapol bangarang dan Facebook account ningkong di even upload kan mas upload ta video janga pat kadan ka Tennessee whiskey ngarwai skul tengah yok kini respon no ni kibre bang smart pete mangaro nga am also from here tengah dang long fan bagi you know gini artist shalong ma sedang ban repost benita kan ngasa sutuk ba okay people are listening to me kan ana dari tai kuat
tu perlu teng ni jit perlu hak ji em jong ni dai tembe ha ki pidi badon bok para kidon ki perlu kiba lehi ya kan ko kam nak bentar jong ti kidang ki bentar ni perlu jong ki do bentar idei Nicole. Oh,
fluency. Kini ti Naduh nursery kan? Dah. Haduh mentah tinggi la long different mang itu ki la kajang. Ti mentah snam ngira share keduk biar.
Reunion.
Tinggi sa hat.
Biasa lah.
So
let's rewind back to the bor bapidang kham khana mo. Ki musician ayo ki ba pilong lalong influential ba mentah ka jing pe jong pi.
Mangai first is my mom namar ba itam ba bro hoi Naduh ba dang pun yang ngai dang le album 94 te hoi te
if you don't mind ikateng you image
kong la pelin Lyngdoh Mawlong pelin Lyngdoh Mawlong idan ka jingai ha YouTube tu sa
kidon
ngidang show upload hi mai di dadang baladu mynsuwa te mo te ngila at least ngila remaster biar kan ngila bo ha
Maya, for the viewers, just tell them her channel.
I kong la pelin Lyngdoh Mawlong. She's a gospel singer.
Lapelin. Lyngdoh Mawlong. Lyngdoh Mawlong. Te idang rwai kita taruh.
Idang rwai, bat ngai dengan rwai. Te Naduh maikan te ngat sahabat iba Desmond hi bangah kemah.
Desmond Sun. Pak Desmond. Hai. Iba Desmond yang itu. Dia dapat degree terus. Bangwa kawan. Pak Desmond is a great guy. Such an important person in music in Shillong.
Very supportive.
International bands or
it would be Shania Twain.
Okay.
And I mean I listen to everything, but tahi mostly banga like fan girling Naduh sadang kan.
Obviously. Mentai nak sekarang. Nanti bang apa di pasal tengah kalau ekspor. And Shania Twain, everyone. Nangta kumapi bandang menwai bandang mentem deh. Hatto mentap caleg ya ka Bachelors of Music. So ka hina ka khamsuk ya people don pakasab.
Ni
or it's just theory.
Ni nga pangalit ngala so start ha mar banyak ayo a lot of praise mo kani tiba triam kamta. Ngalit siya tay ngalong bay kumpami na kren. Ni nga hapsyong shimit na mar belingi don entrance ra. Kaya pas siya ta entrance ban yo join degree.
Tadi college you come ya?
Bangalore Conservatory.
Bangalore
Conservatory.
Is this somewhere in Kalyan?
Kadanha Kutunur.
Kutunur. Jingai na kadi outskirt na po. Kadi sa Devanahali.
Sedang Kamanahali.
Oh, I see.
Okay. Kaya bahagay na marbang ngam puli te shuh bandai. Sebar kimo shuh bandai degree kilit puli sedang red. Lalit grade 1, grade 2 jong piano ni tengah grade dan Nah, one bit na raw so leit sunang hi ma. Tidak pas stay pat long bit. Kau mengamtip you A U B C tu.
Nak tahu ke degree ke jong pi. Hai pin yo kam sebut lada pi yo kam po. Hasilong po.
Mostly kendai by haki school. Namar ba lada kata kawai kalong ba shadi kim dalong compulsory ka music. Shabar but kalong compulsory ke. Every school will require a music teacher. As how others like science or kadi compulsory bete. Tiko ngiki music teacher ngiyo kam bet ke.
Tiko to Bangalore baki don sport kadi ka kam ka jong pi hapo ka school chapi. Oh, like the music do you play sports?
Sports no, I do jump. Macam kadang record ha tengah lah ban jump. Jump triple jump, long jump gitu.
Like to participate in the school ni.
Like participate into school. She's here.
Di kong Maya elite school ha.
St. Thomas High Secondary School.
Mayra. Di 11, 12 pilih ha.
Okay tu like Crab Presbyterian
High Secondary School. I see. Di kong Maya menai oma. In kwah ban puli nama ba. She doesn't like studying. You can do that too. But pinhak ban support ya kata lada pidon kasab. Lani katom kamu kwah. Terang haduh kata-kata. Mong teman shuh, time pass menentai haduh kan no pilong serious but not successful haka music career macam ni.
Ni I was mad. I was immediately in my mom. Ngalong die hard haduh kata bang the report exam ru step ala kursi ni san baji ban crack revise ma. During that 5 o'clock in the morning also, I would take the guitar and play so soft bandam yos ngau. Ti itai jinglong die hard te ya kai pila ban substitute badan dah phim tresh tam phim tresh tam haduh bakan hab long do long senang.
Haduh kat no kabok kedon.
Bok te I don't believe haka bok. Namar belai I think ngila long blessed ni northeast badong bat ka bok kai kasap kai ladan. Tambah ka dei bet ka work ethic ka kaduna kata. Namar belai ngila pet na ikiwai. Ngalong discourage no instead of ben pet jadi di progress na. Kadai. I think haka jakaran pet ikiwai dang la pet cuba mentang anang bentem ka violin telah saya nganong no ka gitar. I'm progressing. It's all about that. Nah, practice kumta. Dapat saya barely I have to sit in the piano or 6 hours every day.
if you're looking for a job and you have to use one of your talent, kawin na kisamo, bapinyo itu kam, kay bapinjit, karwai na, katem violin na, katem piano na, katem guitar.
You'll be singing.
Singing, obviously. Thì con Maya, por bapi phim rwai, and phim tray, kay bapi le open ujai rồi.
Oh, that. Ni cái lệ buồn.
Em đang cảm thấy không?
Em mostly ngapet film ấy.
Movies. Ki movies ki bapi stop tam ki deh.
True story, anything that's true story.
Even ki film thma.
Yeah, anything that's true story.
Think about ki film Avengers, ki ba film.
I do watch them just to know, but tip what's happened next and all. I do follow up DC. I'm a DC fan.
Oh,
the Marvels and all that. Tang ba man ang bangan pet, but napangarapit film ngalong ko ni if I'm investing 2 hours of this thing, I should get something. Na malada ka true story you can relate. It actually happened. But if you murder and all, then I mean we can always.
It's not like entertainment.
Yeah. So, but you're wasting 3 hours, 2 hours of your time.
Trekking? It's not like trekking.
No.
You hate it, like totally.
I felt so bad. Ngapalit na to ka drinking roots river.
Living route Mongriat.
Because of the walk.
Qualit.
I want to go.
Chal.
I want to play some. I do some videos there.
No, not video, just trekking. Like, don't sing on the trek.
I know. But then because habang niya ito ni, I change my mind all the time.
So he, being like shilong mak tang ketua jing berkat berkat. Like, is it tiredness or you do
Tiredness a
maybe?
bit. But I don't have any.
But you appreciate nature.
Yeah, I do.
Okay. What about other things for fun? Workout?
No, I would dance. I love to dance.
You love to dance. And then what else we do for fun? Coffee?
No, it will be bampan and all that.
Bampan. You and I, be ready for Maya. And other than that, your favorite place in Shillong, restaurant in Shillong. Your favorite restaurant in Shillong?
Favorite restaurant in Shillong. Em kadai ka dukan di Shah Jong one of my bahayeng hintay hakli iyaw. Badondo masih kle masih baru masih sarwah. Antong tap.
Kle masih. It's a culture for Meghalaya. For those of you outside of Meghalaya, don't be so weirded out about it. It's normal for us, and we love it.
Everything.
Yeah, we love it. One more question. Women of the 21st century. Define a woman in the 21st century.
I would say independent.
Independent. Dari restoran, the seulang no. Mau yang ambil, mau steng. Dan ya, dan nilai dan siu ni mengigai.
I think we should have a culture where you have to be free and frank. Ngada leit bangun nong, ngabdan bersama nga. Shong kumta, siu makaliangan treban leit. If any guy asks me out, I say if you let me pay half, I would go. But if you don't, then I'm sorry.
So that's a deal breaker, come on. Okay, yeah. And it's come safe lah.
I mean, if you're open to it, why not? Lali mansyele, it's this 21st century. Come on.
Formal time.
You can say it, him,
Okay.
Kalong takin. Kitay, like the him la siru ong bait, the la siru ong bait. It's easy that way.
You two tangba. Okay, one more. Cái habit cái jong cái sinh răng, cái bắp phim xuống tận nào đó thì đó là cái habit.
Well, cái đây cả. That's a very I'm very.
Go on.
It would be.
Okay, habits. Come on, cái habits kiba tại comment là này bad for your body or whatever. Teng kat di tan, di kiap tan, di secret. Mynta kiba masih keruk kena. Dan kwah so kay kabang turn off opinion start.
I mean, kibam kisiki. Yeah, all of that. I mean the bam dan buram not the diru duri ban buram wa judi parle tu. As too much of anything is bad. So I wouldn't have that specific that I don't like. But if you know what you're doing, I appreciate whatever you do.
Okay. The kong Maya, jingiakren shaphang ka jing ke jong phi, jingiakren shaphang ka sap ka jong phi. Khanyat nan chef nga topic. Kisung tanat ban riam kum no le pilit terima nasi.
Sam. My mom will kill me. Yo ingan ni te pong parang samla ru. Best with Sam.
Sam is your favorite food.
Like right now, I mean like improvise ban parang Sam best.
And kasam pisam khasi ban pinang naman Sam.
Sam tim nang re. Kawai ru. Tambah shuh Sam kulma. Te kadang shuh hikahi tambah teng ngam ngasih ya. Okay, have. Okay, parang ha. No, hikahi namar bang ada tres ni hap Sam no.
Hap Sam? I don't think so. Try formals.
Em shab Sam tu kam bang hap Sam bed.
Oh.
Te la jinjari tambah awak kulma kum tu like.
Paiba kam ban awak kulma. Kadon ke video ka jona. Kaba kum no ban Sam. Sesuai apa yang kita video buat self kong Maya
learn. I love school. Honestly, I haven't learned.
Yes, please check that video. Okay, tahu. Chef dah kita tahu. Lalu dan dok jam, dok kren. Which one will you choose?
I would go with dok jam.
Dok jam.
Dok shine is my favorite.
Dok shine is my favorite. Okay. Jadok jale.
Jale.
I'm shit night.
Shit. Definitely. I took tam.
And sebelum mata pila awan matai, ne piwan hayen. Hapo duling don kerla, don kutung. Will you be like, oh my god, or will you be like, ni kamshet air mai? What would be?
No, I would be, oh my god, the mga bama kerla. And kutung rung abang. Literally, I eat everything.
Okay, so nga ngambang kerla, what do you ngambang kerla? So what you do with the mom?
Wait a bang mom.
Pibam dan orang sedap.
Dog. Power ke dog. Except tiki dog, sebut dog merat, dog so dog miau ke bang. Kiba apa? Aku dah di baset dog so dog miau ru ni.
Atau mah hasilong te dunam. Angam hasilong dan baset dog so. Hoi seni satai ke basu te mau BI. Tambah hasilong dunam baset dog so miau. Okay. Like nak kabam kadi pada ngamong kadi. Tea, coffee, juice. Okay,
I would go with juice.
Mocktails, we start with mocktails. What's your favorite mocktail?
I wouldn't have a name. I mean,
okay,
but I love
okay,
mocktails.
Mocktails. Okay. The gift kabam pila yo kabam rem tau kali.
Kane. Singing from God. That's like a very fair question, but it's a very fair.
Okay, so
that's it's a gift. It's it's literally a gift. Ngamla are bangan poi haduh kani rula dang amdan kani ka gift ban.
Ban khen ki performance di kong maya. Kai ka stage kani ka rinsan ka ba phi sutanat tam ban perform. Kumachu ong no open air or partial open air ni. Lani close or a small cafe. Small. Kaya jingai here.
I think it would be the audience environment. Namar ba or pedang la badan sangat brio, but they listen to you and share that same experience, appreciate music, rather than being 1,000 people who doesn't even care.
But when you sing, people care. I
mean, everywhere. But I had experience. It's very funny that it's a wedding. So I thought it's a wedding. People, you know, they talk and they and I'll be in the background. And I went to sing. Literally, everyone tiptoeing and they walk. And I'm like, this is a wedding. I need to hype the crowd out. You know, mga rwai kalong with soft M. Kilang kumbadan hanya yap kena tidak silang jalan. I'm like, how do I hype this up? I sang love songs and obvious song for wedding. Tengah kibri kita asing ambil kemiam haduh kelalang bet. Kamlang wedding shoot tu kelalang bet concert untuk. It was a bad experience for me.
Te mentah ki por ki weddings pi
Ngam stress.
Oh, pim stress wedding.
Sadly.
Banyak torsions.
I mean, yang late rwai mo for that chibo one special performance hapo walk in the aisle and all. I'll do that.
Okay.
But menong ban for the ambience and all. Kam kimdan marus rwai mga imagine nga rwai ki skap jar. Kidaya do kila shit soft.
Happy man kan bakalong.
Happy is a wedding, no?
No, I mean, but
you're with that pressure. I thought I could just do whatever, you know.
Do you trust your voice, or sometimes do you still get anxiety?
Yeah, a lot of it. I mean, every time na siya balik video, kam tu nga smat panihal, smat sukopo, smat a lot of time kan. Kadang don hi kum katute.
So, pagba auto tune ki invent somewhere 1980s. They kalera pai kini ki nong rwai, and then Maya kepor, kila depend on auto tune. Mentap deh kila stop no. Nama apa? Lada ni kau Maya. It's a compliment.
That is, I didn't expect that.
How bad or how helpful is an auto tune?
Okay, well.
Auto tune, uday, utiar hindi utiar. Lalong no kita software. Ba kini ki basna jing rwai ki penon kam ban penwan dur shuh ya kasur ka ba ki nong rwai ki rwai teng lak ban flat tama ban parwai yang Naduh dang sedang lak ban bampor than ti penon kam no di auto tune hang ni hang tai si haduh kat no katu ka don jing ta ya ka original voice ki jong phi
shibun kan
phem ju kwa bang ne auto tune bang phi dai.
Never have I ever also damar balai ka long kum ni kan. Kum ngaperkat siya rimo siya nong way. Itu that's the beauty of it. That failure, that weakness of yours, but then her voice, teaching long flat kandiat. That's the beauty of it. Because if everyone sings perfectly, then everyone is one. You know, it's not you. It's not. There's no difference. So, kibriyo kumta ngada record ngaru ngam jukwa ada benong take ben. I want to have that natural. But you know, thing in the middle of a song. You know, you should be even if you record. Pidi bendante katukan titi natural.
But human.
Oh, that's Maya. They'll know. Oh, that's John Mayer. Oh, they should have. You know, kinte bendan kita. So auto tune, but I mean, come on. That's like
artificial. Yeah. So Maya, she's not a fan of auto tune. Even bendan kam. Lara itu ki music video bitna ki scenery ni kita ram klam penon kam auto tune itu ki videos tambah enhance ka voice ka volume atau ki kata ka volume tu tidak kam don't need to even say national even kwah ni even one version ni per video
very. So actually I wasn't planning bangan ban biang namar balai ni saya appreciate bahasa waite banhang ni ya kam jongi kan. If you're in an environment that support you 100%, obviously you would want to be in that environment. Tang ba kalong kum ni actually nga planet ban leit beshaban ngan tray beshaban ngan sawan. Badan kum kuta ka jinglong selfish pat kalong selfish no kata nga lalong bitang yeladi ngala embha labia. Te ngape ka rila jong pat ni tang hamay rang syaru. There's a lot banale. That's one thing, but second is family. You know, ngadi kun kado iti min siem. Even though my mom ilang bait you can do fly, you go spread your wings and fly. Iti jingiaid but katuka pressure hangar ko danti ba haban pait hi kaying kasam kum kun kado.
Klam kedon kedon kanjing saknut.
Dangawan siya ni pat I found beauty in it. Siya ngatray kasulong kam but marway I have no social life. Kam tang ba social life kadon kabihing kasam kadon that kamlong brin kamlong happy kamlong
yang berreal agak ya thora sapan birthday lah sapan sepan kedua lah sebet taruh.
So it has a lot in the human life. I think humans is a social freak, no?
Ti kumki penrio gidan kam ya tu betnya. Ti tengah baru tu ni lah jan position makut masya bangin kut dan kijing kili kendiap ikong Maya. What do you look for in a man?
Oh gosh, okay. Well, first is God-fearing person.
Okay.
Second is smart.
Smart.
Has to be smart, yeah.
Smart. Smart.
Smart, start. Shaphang. Wisdom, not smart. I mean, that also includes, but if a man is very educated and very smart and very knowledgeable, untray hi pa.
Dia kitchen rock uncontained. Smart. Pada saya kan nak tahu smart tu kan simpel in tip bau tu sedang start na dan kalem. Dia yang tu malah pada saya kan first impressions tau. Okay, first impressions.
Batip you belai hinga te. Ki balong very conscious balong blong kelomar tu.
So which means people smart only single.
I grew up. I mean, my mom elate everywhere. Te ngadan but eat mostly kalong tahi.
Okay. Te pai ba ro ni la poisha la kut trong kan ka video ka trong ni. Te ma parai na parai.
I don't
know. Dan berai lembut mga para pinang sebut nanti. Kong Maya hang ni idon dia ka sub ban penkela ya ka original tune in her own ways. Best part tu sub ka jong pi shaphang in rwai patai se kat kumno pi ai tu ka sub.
So that is called arrangement, music arrangement. Ka 2M ka dei ba lenul khna ni ubrio ubasngap everything. Hip hop, pop, rock, metal, name it, jazz. Pida million man singap le barak khajan pin triam haban improvise but ban arrange diki music in any form. Kat kum kacaka, kat kum ka, you know, hila ban portray ko ta
Itu ka technical skill ka ba na kalau natural.
Kadi it's a lot of time investment. Kalau pimla ban learn it within 2 years. Nga learn ngala ban le because nga asngap Mr. Big, Bon Jovi, from back in the days with Nora Jones, variety kalau ada bet Naduh dang kebet, tidak mentapi clear te kalang ta. It's time consuming, kalang a lot of time.
Okay. This Romeo's bleeding,
but you can see his blood.
There's nothing but some feelings.
Hold on.
Baby, since you left me,
I was drowning in a flood. See, I was always been a fighter. Without you, I give up.
I can't sing a love song
Not the way it's meant to be.
but I guess
I'm not that good anymore. Baby, that's just me and I will love you, baby. Always, and I'll be there forever and ever.
Thank you very much.
Always.
I'll be there.
Labia.
Alright, kami kila enjoy ito. Take a message ki dong rwai hashlong. The government is doing a lot. Ito ki cafes performances akan ipon ki hari-hari bandai. Take a message ko pintu ya ki budding musicians hapo hashlong.
Find your own identity. Find your own taste, even if it's different, even if it's small. There's something that when I listen to you, we know your name or we call your name. It shouldn't be, to sound like Shakira, or that sound like, shouldn't be like that. That sound like you. That's all.
Okay. Pero Maya Lygdoh Mawlong, hapo YouTube, hapo Instagram.
Maya Noe.
Nowian. Can you spell that?
MAYANOWAIN.
There is no underscore. So
No, there's no underscore.
MAYANOWAIN.
AIN.
Okay. Thì mga magkama po Instagram MANTHRAW. Social media on YouTube. If you like the video, please like, comment. If you don't like it, you don't like it. Comment.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Thank you, such an honor
and
to
all the
be
best
here.
with your new job.
Thank
I'm
you.
not gonna tell you where new job is, otherwise they'll actually like pang autograph lagi. But yeah, I mean, anyways, people, take care. Good night. Have a good week.
Thank you.